Hello again, Geostat students. I wanted to follow up to my last video with a little bit more worked out demonstration of creating a point in your workspace in case you found a weather station that you want to include in your final analysis, but there was not a corresponding WBAN ID number for the file to be joined on. So the process is really not too complicated. The first thing that you're going to need to do with your points file that you have for your workspace is to go up to Customize, Toolbars, and make the Editor toolbar visible. We're going to then click on Editor and start editing. We'll start an edit session and we'll click over here to create new feature. Now we have our Kansas points that we have already in our file, but let's say there was one over here that we wanted to add that was not present. This might be found from the website on your climate data search. Maybe this was the weather station you have that would like to be included. And this link again is just the climate data online search. This was from our earlier milestone. This is how you downloaded your data. If you click search for this particular station, we'll see that here's the station ID, and we would like to know what its latitude and longitude is, so we click see full details, and here we have the station's latitude and longitude and elevation for this particular station, and this is in decimal degrees. So we will then go back to ArcMap, and let's just pretend that that location is right here. So we're going to click on Stations, Kansas Stations. Then we're going to click on Point, and you'll see now that I have a little point that's floating around. Now that we know the exact latitude and longitude with this point selected, before you click, if you right click there we go. There, finally recognized the right click. We would click on absolute XY, and you could type in your latitude and your longitude right here. Press enter, and it creates the point. Once you have your points added, if you need to enter the WBAN ID information, you would open up the attribute table, and you'll see these are the few points that we just created. Now if you select multiple, if you create multiple, you can click on the different entries and it will highlight the one that you are going to edit. Then in the WBAN you would just double click and give it its number. Once you're happy with that, you would hit edit, stop editing, and it asks you, do you want to save your edits? And you would of course select yes. So in doing that, that's how you would add points, and then you can later join the tabular data onto that newly created point. And that's all that I'm going to show in this tutorial. Good luck!